Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2009 Chrysler 300 and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlamp switch. This video applies to 300s made from 2005 all the way up to 2010. Okay, now to replace this switch you don't need any kind of tools actually. You can use even a flat screwdriver because all you have to do just have to pop out this switch. The best thing to use would be like a plastic trim remover, which I have, just to squeeze it behind the switch and gently pop it out. But like I said, you can use even a flat screwdriver. Just be careful so you don't damage the dashboard. Okay, so once you have the switch out, all you have to do, you have to disconnect one connection in the back. So what you want to do, first you want to slide this red clip all the way to the back, and then you want to push onto it and unplug it. And this is how you pull it out. Now most often these switches will go bad because your fog lights will not work when you press onto this this button. Usually this part for the headlights works fine, even this dimming switch works fine. Most common problem is, like I said, the fog light button. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.